Hey guys, we're going to tackle another Monday motivational quote. This is Brian from Bald Guy Sci, and things are changing. Let's get to it. Hey, whether it's COVID-19 or anything else going on, the world is constantly changing. And so this quote I think is really important because we don't live in a static world. And this quote comes from Orrin Woodward, and he said this: "You must be willing to give up what you are to become what you want to be." And so it's an interesting thought. It might seem a little obvious on the surface that if you want to be something better, a better version of yourself, you want to be kinder, you want to be more generous, you want to be whatever, that you actually have to let go of what you are. So you have to first admit that there are some issues that you need to let go of. But really, we don't let go of negative things, or we don't think of it that way. What we think of is there are things in this existence that we're currently going through that we like. And so we actually have to let go of things that might be good to strive for what is the best, the better, whatever. So I don't know if you've ever taken stock or thought back of what you're going through right now in your life, but maybe there's something that's good, but in order to grab onto that thing that's better, you actually have to let go of something. So sometimes the enemy of the best is the good. Anyway, we will check you next week with another Monday motivational quote. I hope that was helpful. See ya.